Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Rajput, a law intern at Lexis & Company. So today I'll be talking about personal injury. Now personal injury cases are brought about by physical injury or mental anguish caused by actions or negligence of another party. Personal injury cases can include auto accidents, defamation of character, product defects, and medical malpractice, to name just a few. In order to be sure if your personal injury case has validity in the eyes of the law, we must contact a legal professional nearby. If you suffer accidental personal injury or damages through the fault of another, that person or business is legally responsible, that is, they are legally liable and can be required to pay a certain amount of compensation. To determine responsibility, the court looks for negligence, carelessness by one of the parties involved. Whoever is determined to have been less careful, that is more negligent, is legally responsible for at least part of the damages incurred. Compensation is generally awarded based on the strength of your documentation and degree of injury. A legal professional is recommended in personal injury cases all over others in order to maximize your compensation in the face of the insurance companies which normally defend such cases. Now, personal injury cases are serious matters. They often involve grave injury, permanent disability, and even death. Victims depend on the personal injury lawyer to recover financial damages that are required to cover their medical treatments, replace permanently lost income, and compensate for the pain and suffering. Without a qualified or experienced personal injury lawyer, their chances of receiving fair compensation is plummet. That's why it's really important that if you have been a victim of personal injury, you choose the right personal injury lawyer to represent you. Now we'll discuss a few things to consider when making our selection. We must always choose an attorney who specializes in personal injury. Your personal injury lawyer should be able to accurately access the merits of a personal injury case, approximate its monetary value, and determine the best strategy for pursuing it. He or she should also have extensive experience in that field. Your personal injury lawyer should also keep current with the latest developments in personal injury law. Second, we must choose a personal injury lawyer experienced in dealing with insurance companies. Insurance company lawyers represent most personal injury case defendants. These corporate lawyers seek to pay out the least amount possible. So an inexperienced personal injury lawyer may be at a disadvantage in these negotiations. Therefore, choosing a personal injury lawyer with a proven track record of successful negotiations is very essential. Choose a personal injury lawyer with trial experience. Although most personal injury claims are settled out of court, personal injury lawyers sometimes obtain favorable settlement by threatening to take cases to trial. The defendants are often willing to pay out more money to the plaintiff to avoid expensive trials, negative publicity, and the chance that a court would award the plaintiff more money. In this case, experience is the key. If your personal injury lawyer has never won cases in court, the defendant in your lawsuit may not take the threat of going to trial seriously. Now, with the development of civilization, acts of negligence have become actionable wrong. In the English law, any person or the legal representative of the deceased person who expired on account of negligent act of other can, besides instituting criminal proceeding, recover damages under the law of torts. In India, under the provision of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, it is mandatory that every vehicle should have a valid insurance to drive on the road. Any vehicle used for social, domestic, and pleasure purpose, and for the insurer's business motor purpose should be insured. Then being involved in the road traffic accident can also leave you with anything from whiplash and bruising. So this was all about personal